Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can get airdrops on Cosmos. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So as you can see, I am on my Leap wallet dashboard right now. So you will need to have a wallet for Cosmos ecosystem. It can be either Kepler or Leap wallet. I personally like Leap wallet better because it has like inbuilt NFT and airdrops in it. So I will show you exactly how you can get these airdrops. So the first thing that you will need to have is you will need to have around 11 injective tokens. Please make a note of what all I am saying right now, how many tokens you will need. So injective tokens you will need 11. Osmosis you get somewhere around 105 osmosis token. Then atom you get around 22 atom tokens. Kujira you can get around 55 Kujira. Celestia you can get around 22 Celestia tokens. And then Juno you can get somewhere around 55 Juno tokens. And the stars you can get around maybe 1000 stars you can say. So these are all the tokens that you will need. Now once you have these tokens, what you have to do is you will need to simply go in your Leap wallet or Kepler wallet and select the required chain. For example, I'm on my Cosmos chain right now. All you have to do is you will need to click on stake over here, and whatever tokens I have all mentioned, you will need to stake them with a validator. So if I click on stake over here, these are all the validators. So what you can do is please don't select the top 20 validators. Select the one which are down, like you can say around 25 to 30 level, and then just check who is giving better APY and along with the commission. So the commission should be anywhere between 5 to 15%. Don't go for validators with 0 and 100% commission, because this is not for you to make actually profits. This is for the whole ecosystem in general. So let them earn 5% commission. That's not a big problem, but in return you are eligible for big airdrops. So similarly, we have done it already for Atom, and as you can see, I'm already getting the staking rewards. So I have like 20.5 atoms staked over here, which is giving me a decent reward. So these are the rewards, and the airdrops are different. So similarly, you can select different chain. You can stake your osmosis. As you can see, I've already staked my osmosis over here, and similarly, I have done it for other chain. Now, another thing you can do is you can go to their governance and simply click vote over here and just read what all details are here, and you can vote yes no. So if I go over here, you can cast a vote for yes no, no with veto, and abstain. So I would advise is like uh, please go ahead and vote, is because at times voting also makes you eligible for airdrops. So once you are done, once you have staked all the tokens, you have to wait for the airdrops to come. So the best thing, you can go to Leap dashboard over here and go in Explore section and click on airdrops. And I will simply click on autofill with Cosmos address, or maybe you can copy paste your Cosmos address and paste it over here. So I will simply click over here and I will check the eligibility. Now, as you can see, none of my address is currently eligible for airdrops, but in the future, if I am eligible for airdrop, it will show over here. Similarly, you can check their Twitter pages and maybe do some simple task which will make you eligible for airdrops. But at least have like I would suggest it like $1,000 plus in Cosmos, because we have seen in the past like there were good airdrops. In total, in general, to be honest, Pyth was good, then there was Jito airdrop, then Celestia. So all this token needs to be staked with the validators which are not in top 20. I would suggest is go for 25 to 30. So this is how you can get airdrops on Cosmos ecosystem. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.